Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 10th of chapter 7 coordinate geometry, we are going to learn about how to find out the area of triangle using the formula of coordinates. Okay students, so the formula is area of triangle ABC is given over here. We will apply this formula. Let us see the question. Now consider the first question. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are A having coordinate point 1 minus 1, B minus 4 6 and C having coordinate minus 3 and minus 5. Okay students, so let us draw the triangle. A having vertices x1 y1 and B having vertices x2 y2 and the vertices of C and x3 y3. Similarly, this will be correspondence to A 1 minus 1, B minus 4 6 and C minus 3 minus 5. Okay students, so applying the formula of area of triangle ABC, we know that 1 by 2 modulus, because area of triangle is always positive, x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x3, sorry, here will be x2 not x3, right, x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay students, now here you can corresponds all these points. X1 y1 is 1 minus 1, so 1 x1, the value of x1 is 1 and the value of y2 and y3, so y2 is 6 and y3 is minus 5, so 6 minus the formula of minus is minus 5, so there will be plus x2. X2 is what, student? Minus 4, so there will be minus 4. Y3 minus y1, so what is the value of y3 minus 5 and y1 is minus 1, so minus 5, there will be plus 1, because applying the formula x3, the value of x3 is minus 3, right? So in place of plus we can write minus y1 minus y2. What is y1 is 1 minus 1 and y2 is 6, so minus 1 minus 6. Okay students, so 1 by 2, so 5 plus 6, there will be 11, right? 5 plus 6 11, so 11 minus 4 minus 5 plus 1, there will be minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 7 6, so minus 7, right students? Now simplifying these things, 1 by 2 modulus 11 minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 plus 16 minus 3 multiplied by minus 7 plus 21, right students? Now adding these things together, we are getting what? 21, 1 plus 6, this is 48, then we are getting what? So by simplifying, cancelling 48 by 2, so we are getting 24. Thus students, the area of triangle having vertices A, B and C is 24. Okay students, similarly we will practice few more questions to get our concept clear. Consider the second question over here. The second question, find the area of triangle whose vertices are A 3 2, the coordinate of point B is 11 8 and coordinate point of C is 8 12, right students? So drawing a triangle having vertices A x1 y1, b x2 y2, c x3 y3. Right students, so we can draw the corresponding triangle having the given vertices 3 2, b 11 8, and c 8 12. Now applying the formula of area of triangle to find out the area of triangle. So area of triangle 1 by 2 modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay students, this is the formula to find out the area of triangle. So 1 by 2, the value of x1. Now we can compare here. So value of x1 is 3, y2 minus y3, the value of y2 and y3. y2 is what? 8, 8 minus 12, right students, plus x2. What is x2? x2 is 11, right? 11, y3 minus y1, y3 minus 1. What is y3? 12 minus 2, 12 minus 2, right? 12 minus 2 plus x3. What is the value of x3? The value of x3 is 8. So 8, y1 minus y2, y1 is 2 and y2 is 8, so 2 minus 8. Okay, so simplifying these things, so we are getting 1 by 2. Now modulus 3, 8 minus 12 minus 4 plus 11, 12 minus 2 10 plus 8, 2 minus 8 minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2. There will be minus 12 plus 110 minus 48, because 8 6 are minus 48, right students? So 1 by 2 modulus 110 minus 12 minus 48 minus 60. So 1 by 2 into modulus 50. So 50 will be cancelled by 2. So we are getting what? 25. So the area of triangle is 25 square unit. Okay students, now moving to the next question. Question number 3. Find out the area of triangle whose vertices are a 2 1, b 6 1, c, and coordinate point of c 2 4. Okay students, so drawing the triangle ABC. A having vertices x1 y1, vertices b having coordinate x2 y2, and c x3 y3. Now equivalence triangle, for the given vertices a 2 1, b 6 1, and c 2 4. Okay students, now applying the formula of area of triangle 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3. What is y2 minus y3? Plus x2 y3 minus y1, right? Plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay students, so putting the value of these coordinates, so x1 is 2, y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3 minus 1 minus 4, x3 plus x2. x2 is what? 6. So 6, y3 minus y1, y3 is 4 and y1 is 1, 4 minus 1 plus x3. The value of x3 is 2, y1 minus y2, y1 is 1 and 1, so 1 minus 1 modulus. So 1 by 2, 2 in the bracket minus 3 plus 6 into 3 plus 2 into 0. Okay, so 1 by 2, there will be minus 6, 6 3 ja 18, right? so plus 18 and there will be 0. So 1 by 2 modulus 18 minus 6 12. So 12 divided by 2 cancelled, so we are getting 6 square unit. Okay students, so the area of triangle whose vertex is A having coordinates 2 1 B 6 1 C 2 4 is 6 square unit. Okay students, now moving to the next question. The question number 4, find the area of triangle whose vertices are A 6 minus 6, B having coordinates 3 minus 7 and C having coordinates 3 minus 3. Okay students, so drawing the triangle having vertices ABC, right? A having coordinates x1 y1, B having coordinate x2 y2, and the coordinate of C is x3 y3. Okay, equivalence triangle for the given vertices A 6 minus 6, B having coordinate 3 minus 7 and coordinate of C is 3 minus 3. Now applying the formula of area of triangle. So area of triangle 1 by 2 modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay students, now 1 by 2 putting the value of x1 is what, 6. So y2 minus y3, so minus 7 and minus 3. So minus 7 there will be plus 3 because as per the formula minus minus plus. x2 is what, 3, and y3 minus y1, what is y3, minus 3, and y1 is minus 6. So minus 3, so minus 6 will be plus 6 plus x3. What is the value of x3? 3. y1 minus y2, what is y1? Minus 6 minus 7, so minus 6 plus 7 modulus. So 1 by 2, 6 minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 3 plus 6 plus 3. So 3 into minus 6 plus 1, there will be 1. So 1 by 2 minus 24 plus 3 3 9 plus 3 into 1 3. So 1 by 2 modulus, so we are getting 12. So 12 will be cancelled by 2, 6. So the area of the triangle is 6. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again.